Here's number 9 from the homework. We see 3 fractions. They're all proper fractions, so we don't have to do the traditional first step where we convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Everything's taken care of on this problem. However, we do see 2 division signs, and so we move to that second step where we always take a reciprocal of divisors. A caution to most students, never change that first number. What I'm saying here is this 8/15 is always going to be rewritten. You'll never change the first number. However, I look to the second term, I see the division, I will multiply by its reciprocal, 5/2. I like to keep my negatives up top, so you see it said -2/5, I call it -5/2. In a similar way, I move to the third term, I'm going to multiply by -2/1. I look for the opportunity to cancel or reduce. We do have that opportunity with this problem. I see this 2 and this 2, one on top, one on bottom. I am permitted to cancel those out, so I call this 1, I call this 1. I also look at my 5 and my 15. There is an opportunity to reduce numbers, and so I'll call the 5 a 1 and a 15 a 3. I don't see any other opportunities, and so I'm going to go ahead and multiply at this point. I'll take 8 times 1 times 1, which is 8. Notice that there were 2 negatives. Negative times negative does produce a positive. As I look at the denominator, 3 times 1 produces 3. An answer of 8/3 needs to be turned back into a mixed number. And so I look at this and I say 3 goes into 8 2 times with 2 left over, and I retain my denominator of 3. Final answer, 2 2/3.